Winter Wonderland. What day is it? Like the 19th of November? Friday, week before Thanksgiving. We got pounded pretty good. I mean, it's already melting down a lot. It's only 8:30 in the morning, 8:15. Went out at 4:30 and plowed. The roads were just covered. I mean, it was really deep in some spots. Doesn't seem too bad at all now, of course. It's nice. I took my wife to work because my daughter's borrowing her car, so it's going to be a nice day. It's calm after the storm today. We're supposed to get a couple more inches, but this pounded New York City and a lot of places. We knew it was coming and it hit pretty good. So that's about it. Little early winter storm here upstate.